Hello, friends. It's me, Victoria, with Lead from Home. Just checking in with you all today, a few minutes behind schedule. As you know, we've got some changes going on. I have a learner that's home with me and is using my office. So we get a cream wall behind us instead of our lovely green screen. Today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite extensions. And what I mean by extension is an add-on to Google. I use Google Chrome for a lot of my streaming or projects because I can automatically transfer it over to Google Drive, and it's just rather convenient. I also like the added security measures that Google provides for its participants or consumers. Users, I'll put myself down as a free user. Anything that's free on Google, I will try to add it as long as it doesn't overload or burden my computer, which means slow down the processing. Now, today's Google Chrome extension that we're talking about is the color picker. Now, I know, strange name, but if you Google it, you will come up with a list of about 15 different types of color pickers. I choose the Google attachment or extension that goes by eyedropper or Google, and it looks like. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and you will see. Let's take a look. Here it is. You should be looking at the Google web, I say Google, the Chrome Web Store, and it says Color Picker. If you take a look here at the top left corner, you'll see the Chrome Web Store label. You'll see that it's under extensions and the actual name of the app. It's Color Pick Eyedropper. Now, if anybody tells you, hey, can you create a background that matches the color of this picture? That's really what they're looking to do is get the exact color or shade of whatever color is in that image and then make it a background. This makes it easy for blending or creating a cohesive kind of feature. Now, why do we want to do this? It makes our images or our presentations look that much sleeker, very attractive to look at. I'll take a look at this picture as well. We'll go ahead and share that screen next. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So we're going to take a look at a game that I created. It is called the Three Bears Escape Room, and I didn't exactly blend the color for this. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. And notice that when I talk about the color sharing, you see here we've got the picture. I know it's kind of small, but I've got my little scroll there. I created this project to help learners kind of process through language. I teach ESL online, and this was one thing, simple clues. But I used that dropper, clicked on part of the image, which was the background, and where the trees are kind of blended, and then I clicked it onto the backdrop. And then I just mirrored that image for all of my sheets. Now let's go back to the color picker. All right, and you're back to me, yay. Now, how do we use it? We use it by, first we have to download it, and it is an easy download. You can check out the reviews here. They have updated it since the one that I downloaded onto my extension. And that one criticism that they said was they want the hashtag and then the number. Why do I talk about the number? The number is important because it is the exact match or the number of the color gradient that is in the picture. Basically, it's identifying the color by number. So that's what we're going to do. When we use the color dropper, we get what is, and you can see mine here. Let's see if you can see it. Maybe if I share my entire screen, I'll get rid of my thing there. So what you end up looking at is, I'm going to share my entire desktop so that you can see what it looks like. Ha ha ha. Here it is. All right. Here we are, and we're going to share. So you can see here at the top, it's got the little eye drop, and it looks like a little crosshairs, just like that. And I can color the background. What you're going to want to do is highlight that sequence, the series of numbers. You can also use this one here, but I prefer this. This is what our color pickers are looking for. And you're going to copy it. If you're using hotkeys, you Command C on a Mac. And then what do we do with it? Once we're done and we have it in our kind of our notebook or in our hidden copy place. Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called. Anyway, you go ahead and X out of it. And let's see. Let's go ahead and open up another window so that we can see what this looks like. I'm going to go into Canva. I'm familiar with Canva. And let's take a look. All right, we're going to open up a blank design. Well, we'll go ahead and do a Facebook logo. All right, so we are, can you see it now? Awesome. So we're already in Canva. You can see that I have created a Facebook logo, but or icon, whatever you want to call it. It's a blank sheet right now. What I want to do is take that color and change it to the cream that I had. If you see at the top of Canva, it has 3 little color tabs, our little swatches, and we're going to change the dark outside to the color that I chose. If you can see up here, it says try blue or hashtag and the series. We're going to just copy that and look, here it is. I changed it. I know nothing fantastic or super shocking, but this is a nice little trick that you can do. You can modify your images. I say that this is a great tip that we can use, and you can change it back. Command Z, change the inside by clicking on the second swatch, and look what it does. Oop, I accidentally did that. Let's go ahead and color here. Oh, all right, I see what I did. It's easy to fix those. All right, so we're going to click enter, and let's see what that does to our color. All right, let's delete this. Okay, so that's just a little tip that we have. Here we are from our search, and we select it, and it changes the image. All right. Well, that's it for today's little video. I do want to share with you all that if you have any questions or if you need a little bit more of a one-on-one, feel free to click here or send us an email and let us know what time and day that you're interested in a walkthrough or a coaching. You are also welcome to check us out at leadfromhome.mykajabi.com. Check us out. We've got lots of neat things coming your way and walkthroughs. All right. Happy teaching. See you next time on Teacher Tips. Bye.